Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload and import custom fonts in Canva. This is a great way to match your brand or personal style, and it makes your designs look more unique and professional. On the Canva dashboard, let's start by adding some text. We'll add a text box here with some sample text. Now, if we want to change the font to one we'd like to upload, we simply click on the font name. From here, we can upload a custom font. Keep in mind that this feature requires an active Canva plan. Only users with an active plan or a Canva for Teams account can upload custom fonts. Once we're ready, we just need to select the font file from our computer and then click Upload. After that, the font will be available to use in our Canva designs. Since we don't currently have an active plan, we can't demonstrate the full process, but this is exactly where we go to upload a font. We click the option at the bottom of the font panel. Once we click on that area, we can start the upload by clicking the Upload button, and then we simply choose the font file we want to use. And that's how we upload and use custom fonts in Canva. Quick and simple.